If you are confused about the terms good cholesterol and bad cholesterol, then this video is for you. LDL is regarded as a bad cholesterol. As it deposits the cholesterol inside the blood vessels, leading to heart diseases. On the other hand, HDL is regarded as good cholesterol because it takes the cholesterol away from the blood vessels, decreasing the incidence of heart diseases. Here are some remedies to raise the levels of good cholesterol and decreasing the levels of bad cholesterol in your body. Doing regular exercise will definitely help, raising the levels of good cholesterol in your body and decreasing the level of bad cholesterol. Taking healthy balanced diet rich in vegetables and fruits. Avoiding junk food which are rich in saturated fats. Or your doctor may advise you medication to lower the level of bad cholesterol.